In this video, I'll try to solve problem on food chains. There are two legs named 1 and 2 is given with a similar tropic structure of phytoplankton, zooplankton and plantivorous fish. These food chains are chosen particular. Now to understand top-down effects, some piscivorous fishes are added which particularly feed on plantivorous fish and that were produced into the first leg, making in a system with a 4 tropic level. Listen carefully. Second leg was enriched by adding large quantity of nitrates and phosphorus, so that to study bottom up effect over a period of time. So changes in the biomass of each tropic level that is measured, and this is given in particularly options. A tropic level that is given initially, that phytoplanktons were the primary producers, right? That second is a secondary producer, zooplanktons are there, and plantivorous fishes which particularly depend on zooplanktons. Now if we talk about first leg, in the first leg, in these three individuals food chains, piscivorous fish is added as a fourth one. Now in the second leg, amount of nitrates and phosphate is added at initial stage. In the bottom of effect, that starts from primary level producers, right, to the top level predators. So if we talk about second leg, as a nutrient source, nitrate and phosphates are added. So as the amount of nitrates and phosphates are present as a nourishing source, obviously phytoplanktons, which depends on particularly this nitrogenous source, grow very well, so increase in its biomass. So at the second level, zooplankton species which particularly depend on phytoplanktons, they are also increase in numbers, and in turn plantivorous fish which depends on zooplanktons, which also increase in its number. So overall growth of food chain is increases when as a nourishing source nitrates and phosphates are added in the second leg. Now, so there is increase in overall biomass of each tropic level at each individual's level. Okay. Now that starts from top to bottom. That starts from bottom to top. Now in the first leg, there is no increase in phytoplankton biomass. Means biomass is as it is. But some piscivorous fishes are added, and they mention that depends on plantivorous fish. Means they depends on a top level food chain predators. That is in the second leg is plantivorous fish. So if piscivorous fish are added, automatically plantivorous fish population is decrease. Number of plantivorous fish decrease. Now zooplankton biomass, on which plantivorous fish dependent on, due to the decrease in their number, zooplankton biomass automatically increase, and it in turn phytoplankton biomass will decrease because zooplanktons are depend on phytoplanktons, right? Now addition of piscivorous fish leads to decrease in plantivorous fish, increase in zooplankton numbers, and decrease in phytoplankton biomass. So I will not go in so much deeply in all the answer options, but if you understand this concept very well, then you will able to pick up the right options, right? So option 1 is the right one, that in the first leg zooplankton biomass increase, phytoplankton biomass decrease, And in the second leg, both phytoplankton and plantivorous fish biomass increase due to the addition of nitrates and phosphates as a nourishing source at the bottom level. So first leg showing top up approach, and the second leg showing bottom up effects, right? So friends, if you think my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.